Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to solve how to fix Samsung pink line issue. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix pink line on screen Samsung phone problem with 5 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your phone. Screen discoloration, pink line or dead pixels may sometimes appear due to minor glitches in the Samsung devices. As a troubleshooting step, we recommend restarting your phone once. To do this, press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. Solution 2. Check for system software update. Many Samsung users don't usually think of updates as useful in fixing problems. In fact, the opposite is true. Installing the software updates not only fixes known bugs but they can also prevent future glitches from developing. To do this, go to Settings app on your Samsung phone. Then, find and tap on About Device or Software Update. After this, tap on Download and Install. Solution 3. Uninstall any recently installed apps. If your problem started after a new app was installed, try uninstalling it. If the dead pixel or pink line is caused by an incompatible or malfunctioning app, removing it may fix your problem. Solution 4. Boot your Samsung phone in safe mode. Safe mode is a restricted mode that prohibits all but the most critical apps from running on your phone. If the pink line disappears in safe mode, it means there is an issue with a program, a configuration, or the operating system. To do this, you have to press and hold the power button. Then, click on the power off option. After that, leave the power button and press the volume down button. Now continue to hold it unless the phone boots up. Solution 5. Factory reset your Samsung device. Factory reset is often effective in fixing software-related or display problems. If the main reason for this issue is due to a glitch in the software, and not hardware, factory reset will most likely help in this regard. But, before you begin, it is recommended to create a backup. For this, open the settings on your Samsung phone. Then go to the About phone. Click on the Backup and Reset. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Delete All Data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the pink line on screen Samsung issue is resolved. So, this is all about solving how to fix pink line on phone screen Samsung. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.